Okay, I'm doing a video 7/5/2014 on a recap of our exceptional trading last week in Bitcoin. Now, the Bitcoin, by the way, this is Bitstamp compared to the US dollar. And what we were discussing all this week in our member section was the overhead resistance at 660, and let me tell you, did that hold very well. It not only held very well, but we did get a move down to our support at 618. Okay, so we came up. All you have to do is really just look back. Now, this is a 1 month hourly chart. You're just really looking back here and you're seeing where our overhead resistance was, 660 area, which we had mapped out, and really our levels that are posted in the members section are there to help. I mean, I trade foreign exchange, I trade stocks every day. Many of you may have joined my course or are currently a member at fxlivedaytrading.com. So I am on the computer. I am doing charts. I am working every single day. And, by signing up for this service, you are going to decrease a substantial amount of time that you would have to invest to do your own technical analysis. The 660 was laid out very clearly in our member section, as I mentioned, but there's a few other important areas, and the 550 area held very, very nice. And not only did it hold, but we got that beautiful double bottom bounce. And really now, I think we may just be ranging around for a little bit until the market decides if it's going to have another leg higher. Keep in mind, there's a sloppy little trend line. I mean, you can probably, draw a trend line here if you want to, but to me, I didn't draw it because it really wasn't lining up perfectly. I want to see perfect trend lines or I just won't draw them. So at this point, I think we're probably looking more of a sideways move rather than anything else, and I'm staying out. If we jump onto, let's say, the daily chart, here's what we're seeing here with a big volume push on the beginning of July, and then we had that move up to our overhead resistance level, and then we had that bearish candle come down to support. So again, not sure if we're going to be seeing any aggressive breakouts anytime soon. That key area of buy, that buy opportunity was at 560. That was another area that was notated in the members section. So we're doing very, very well here. Trading Bitcoin. I gotta tell you, I really love trading Bitcoin, and I have to say it's been a lot more exciting than trading foreign exchange currencies, because if you've been trading Forex, you'll see it's kind of mimicking what's going on the SPX. It's just been really slow. On top of that, many European traders have been trading I should say have been putting off their trading. Sorry, it's a little bit early here on Sunday. And what they've been doing is just watching the World Cup, so less volume overall. And that's really been the theme here in the foreign exchange markets. But getting back to Bitcoin, I've been trading that and doing well, and I can tell you it's exciting. Okay, now I'll continue to trade Bitcoin. Um, we'll see if Forex picks up over here in the next few weeks. But right now, I'll be posting a video on Tuesday. Right now, I'm just going to be watching, standing aside. I don't have any positions on the Bitcoin. I want to see if we get down to the 600 area, what are we going to do? Or are we going to break above the 660? So I'll post and I'll send an email out to the members um, when we either break higher or break below our support. All right, so it's been a pleasure. If you have